So I'm back with the Monster House almost 3 days because I'm using the Monster House on my phone because that is no longer than what you expect. Because I completed my videos on my phone for an hour ago, and that's what I'm doing right now. Because I thought maybe we can do more videos for weeks ago, and maybe days and a month, but I thought most people don't think about what we get more to these phones, and that's such a nice day to collect these toys, and what can possibly go wrong? I'm maybe think of what you expect of getting those toys about an hour ago, but yeah, I like it. So let's get on with it. Welcome back to another review, and today I'm going to talk about Hot Wheels RC Shark Speeder RC. Remote Control RC, try me. There's a button right there. 2.4 GHC, 30 miles, 100 feet, 5 batteries. 5 pluses from Intelligence's back. You need 2 AA batteries. I mean, you need 3 AA batteries and 2 AAA batteries. 4 sounds. Let's open it up. And because the box is small, we have to open from the bottom. I don't know how we used these boxes before to open the box, because that's how I am, like we always do. And that's so especially that this box is for ages 5 and up. I like how they put nice details around the car, and that's what we expect. Here's instructions. Controls, skill check. Bottom view, features, contents, setup. And what is this right there? I'm surprised this notice about these. Simplify declaration of conformity. And what's this? It's a pamphlet. It's not instructions, but it is this pamphlet for a lot of things that you don't know. I mean, there's no instructions. There's no instructions. There's another instructions, I guess. I am so confused about that. Tips and hunts. There's a tips and hunt paper. I need some scissors. Let's move this box out of the way. Tapes. Here's remote control. I'll put some scissors. I'm back with the scissors. I'm super expressed about this shark speeder, and that's how I imagine that what they expect. So they used to teach us about what they notice about those cars. They move around and the wheel turns and the eyes light up and the button, and you hit the button and what's gonna happen? His eyes light up. How neat is that? But I've noticed about this battery compartment that we take the screws out and put some new batteries in it, but it was old because this happened to me for no good reason. I never know what it does. Oh wow, it moves. Come on. What happens if you press the button? Move back and forwards, and the sharks can drive. I bet you can know in the comments, but you could leave. You already know. This is kind of weird that they noticed about sharks can drive and they do 360s around. Look at that. They can imagine how sharks can do while they swim around. And sharks have sharp teeth and they notice about what they could eat in by what you learn. If I realized that Shark Speeder RC is probably the coolest thing ever. I never thought it'd do a lot of 360s around, 360 speeds, 360 spins. I thought I could do anything we imagine how this sharks can teach us about what you expect. So, they notice about what speeders can do. And they can do this, just like that. But they have other features by pushing the button, and his eyes light up. I love how they put details around it. Hot wheels, 4 wheels, and it has a moving body. Fins, another fin, tail, and that's what we expect for getting these cars at my local stores. I mentioned how this costs a lot of money for, I bet, $60, but you could get at least $10 at least. You probably won't expect me for getting those toys that I expect for at least $100, but I imagine how it works. But sometimes I have to say I like it. Most people won't expect what I'm getting so far at my local stores. Come on, Mattel. How can you expect me to put? Come on, Mattel. How can you expect me to make more of these shark toys? And I'm supposed to do more of these, but I'm so confused by I'm telling the truth about what you gain more of these toys, but I'm using this price for lots of money. These toys are such a beautiful toy in the world. Look at the remote control. It kind of looks like a blue control. Oh, sharks move. Look at the blue remote control. It kind of looks like a nice remote control of the world. I thought so, but they expect me for having the most controller of the world. Let's take a peek about what they expect from doing the most stunts of the world. Sharks can't imagine how they swim underwater, but I expect how they swim neither forwards or backwards. But I imagine how we can't make more of these because I have to say I like it. Now, you couldn't see any more of these days. Sharks can swim further, or at least other days can swim neither a day either, because how much sharks can see either days? Because have you ever told us about what they learn? I bet it is. Comment down below if you like sharks. I bet it's someone you could make more of these. This shark toy is kind of a fun toy to play with. I thought maybe no one you could see a lot of these toys, but that's what we expect for seeing these toys for a lot of price. Actually, can't forward because this shark toy is such a beautiful shark in the world. Shark can't imagine how we can see like that. Because now the eyes light up, unfortunately, but I imagine how we can see like that. But unfortunately, this is happening from not having the one. So I imagine how sharks can swim underwater because sharks live in the ocean. Because far away in the ocean, far away on the island. Because why I'm especially talking about right now, we can especially see oceans for near half an hour. Because I like how they see, like they could believe how what the sharks can do. Because this is how we can speak. We can especially see sharks can swim nights and days. Because sharks can how we see lots of hours ago. Because sharks can how we can swim farther days. Now sharks can live farther nights and days. Because that's how sharks can swim for nights and days. So that's what we know. Thanks for watching the box of the Hot Wheels RC Shark Speeder RC. Bye.